Reggae Just Extra with Rasta.
If I was a man, baby, you never worry about why.
Dancehall and reggae artist Andrew Reid, widely known as Nitty Kutchie, is currently receiving medical treatment in a corporate area hospital after suffering from breathing issues and a heart attack. As he embarks on his recovery journey, Nitty Kutchie reflects on the alarming signs his body had been sending him over the past few months, such as persistent chest pain. He recalls a concerned follower who reached out during one of his TikTok live sessions, noting an unsettling change in his eye appearance. Nitty Kutchie is passionately urging everyone to prioritize their health by staying hydrated and giving themselves the necessary rest, as these are crucial allies in maintaining well-being. He also emphasizes the significant risks associated with consuming artificial sugar and encourages everyone to eliminate it from their diets for a healthier life. This is Reggae Just Extra with Ras Dennis. Nitty Kutchie shared a chilling experience when he suddenly began sweating profusely. In a desperate attempt to help, his friend splashed him with water and suggested he inhale guinea hen weed to ease his discomfort. After relentless encouragement from his wife and family, he reluctantly agreed to seek medical help. By then, the chest pain had escalated significantly, leading to a series of examinations that confirmed the alarming news: he was suffering from a heart attack. Now hospitalized and under careful observation since Thursday, the entertainer is optimistic about his recovery. He hopes to be discharged soon and remains hopeful that everything will align in his favor. This alarming incident serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of listening to our bodies and seeking help when needed. Consider burying sugar; it's truly detrimental to your health. Prioritize rest and nurture yourself. If it isn't created by God, then it's not meant for you. Listen to your body; rest is essential. Hydrate yourself and explore water fasting; it is fundamental to life. Always hold God in high regard. I firmly believe that my life was saved by Him and nothing else, emphasized Nitty Kutchie. He elaborated on how, despite dedicating hours daily to exercise, his sweet tooth has taken a toll on his well-being. Exercising without proper hydration, consuming excessive sugar, and neglecting rest undermines all your hard work. It's like fighting an uphill battle. I've always struggled with my relationship with water. While others enjoyed a bottle, I preferred juice. However, I've come to understand that water is vital for our existence. I was not getting enough rest and would often leave a party only to head straight to the gym, he reflected. It's time to embrace healthier habits and respect the body that carries us through life. Nitty Kutchie stands out as one of reggae's most powerful vocalists, boasting a remarkable 30-year career in Jamaica's vibrant music scene. While many fans may remember his iconic collaboration with Bounty Killer and Angel Doolas in the early 90s on the hit Go Away, Kutchie has a wealth of successful songs under his belt. Unfortunately, his humble nature often keeps his incredible talent under the radar, leaving music lovers unaware that he is behind some of their all-time favorite tracks. Now, with the backing of his longtime friend and collaborator, Richie Stephens, Kutchie is ready to change that narrative. The duo played a pivotal role in the 2022 Jamaica Festival Song Competition, where Stephens penned the powerful anthem Defend Jamaica, and Kutchie delivered an unforgettable performance. Although the song didn't clinch the top spot, it resonated deeply with audiences both at home and abroad, who felt it truly deserved to win. Building on this momentum, Richie Stephens crafted another uplifting track titled Happy Life, once again enlisting Nitty Kutchie's incredible voice. This vibrant song, produced by Boom Rich Productions, Essential Music, and Richie Stephens' own Pot of Gold production, also features the talented Gambian producer and artist Good Boy Elliott. Aptly branded a club banger, Happy Life is taking the nightlife scene by storm, enjoying heavy rotation in nightclubs and street dances. That's it for this episode, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to say a word of prayer to Nitty Kutchie, and subscribe to this channel, give a thumbs up, and leave a positive comment in the section below, and I'll see you again very soon for another interesting video.
Holy man will I King Selassie I Jah Rastafari I Selassie first lives and rules and reign.